Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm come to prepare waakye or wanche, yeah. And you see how yummy it look, yeah. This my waakye. I didn't add salt, Petre, that's Kaun, or baking soda, yeah. I didn't add all those things. The scent, wow. I hope you hear the scent, you smell the scent. So this is what I used to eat with shito, wanche stew, and my fish, spaghetti, salad, gare, yeah. And let's eat. Wow. Hey, please, let's start. Put water on fire. So when the water is boiled like this one, you wash your millet leaves and you add it to it. Any quantity you want to add it, you can add it. Yeah, the millet leaves I'm talking about. Then you cover it, let it be cooked, and you get the good color from the millet leaves. Add the beans. This is the black eyed beans. And you know what I did with my beans? I removed the bottom inside and I soak it for 3 hours. Yeah, that's the good way you can get the gas out from the beans. You know, beans have so many gas inside, and if you didn't cook well, you cannot sleep in the night. So that's what I did it to my beans. I soak it for 3 hours. 15 minutes, open it and check it if the beans is okay for you to add your rice. The beans shouldn't be soft or hard, normal one. Yeah, middle. It should be middle. Yeah. And then you remove the leaves from inside. Some people leave it and they add their rice. But my own, I remove it. I don't want to use to cook with my rice. So I remove it from inside. Then I add my salt. Yeah, it depends how much you want your salt, but don't eat too much salt. Yeah, normal. You add a pinch of salt to it. And you stir it, yeah, you mix all together nice like this, and you wash your rice, you add it to it. Yeah, this one you don't need too much rice, you need small because it's supposed to be get the beans inside more, but my own rice is more than the beans, so don't do like me. Yeah, reduce your rice, don't take too much rice. Yeah, and you cover it, let it be cooked. Cover it and lower the heat small, not too much low. Shouldn't be too much high or middle, normal one, yeah. And you open it, you check it, you stir it, yeah. Cover it with aluminium foil or banana leaves. If you have banana leaves, you can use to cover it, or anything you prefer to use to cover with your rice. You cover it like this and you lower your heat. So now lower it, let it be low and let it be cooked, because the heat is going to let the beans cook and the rice cook nice. Yeah, you see, wow, the scent is high. It's not ready, but the scent stop. So you stir it like this, yeah. So I see the rice is still hard, and I sprinkle small water on top like this. You see water is water because it's hard for me. I need to be soft small for me, so I sprinkle small water on top like this and I mix it together. And you cover it with aluminium foil, the same aluminium foil you are using. You cover it again, and the next one I'm open is ready to serve. Enjoy! Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there, the same like Facebook and Instagram. Like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.